Hi, this is Joanna. Welcome to another Renderpub tutorial. In this video, we will help you easily and artistically present your designs by deep diving into image, video, virtual tour, and GenAI export options. To render an image, start by Add Frame. On the right-hand side, under the camera option, choose an aspect ratio. Here we'll use a custom one. In the sky option, you can make frame-specific adjustment like HDRI intensity to fine-tune how your model blends within the background. You can also make adjustment like sunlight intensity, sun positioning, sunlight color temperature, or even the sunlight shadow softness to best represent the time of day, geographic location, as well as weather conditions. Next, let's head to the Post-Process tab. Here we can tweak parameters like brightness, bloom intensity, and even more for visuals. Finally, you can add a tint to your render. Here we're selecting one from the drama category with the option to adjust its intensity for the perfect look. Once everything is set, click the camera button to save your settings. Then go to Export. Choose a save folder, enable path trace render if needed, set up to 256 sample counts. Hit the Export button to get your beautiful rendered images. To create a video render, switch to Video mode from the top right menu and click Add Clip. Double-click the clip to open it. Set your camera position and angle, then click the camera button to save the first frame. Again, adjust the cameras and settings, then click the camera button again to save the second frame. You can also change the clip duration to control the animation speed. That's it, you just keyframed your video with ease. Let's create another clip, this time with manual focus and depth of field. To do that, go to the Camera tab and select Manual Focus Mode. Here, you can adjust focus distance, exposure, and camera aperture. Once you set your focus, click the camera button to save it. And now, let's make it more cinematic. Click the short cam to zoom in. Unclick the camera button in the Manual Focus mode. Adjust the focus distance. Click the camera button again to save this frame too. Then adjust the clip duration. And that's it. We achieved the effect of changing the focus from the chair at the front to the kitchen beyond. Then, when the clips are ready, click the Export button. Here you have the options to choose frames per second, video format, and image sequence. After selecting your preference, click Export to render your video. And there, your video render is ready. We created a cinematic video with a panning camera as well as changing focuses. Now, let's switch to Virtual Tour Exporter. Click Add Walk to start adding hotspots to the scene by left-clicking. You can add as many hotspots as you want, whenever you want. Let's cover the garden as well as the kitchen. And then you can add tags to specific objects. For example, we're adding a tag to this launch chair. You can include a name, image link, website link, and even a description to provide more context for each tag. Once everything is set, click the Save button to save your progress and hit Export. And finally, we'll receive a link to view your scene in 360-degree mode directly in your browser. And copy and paste that link into your browser. Now you can see the result of this 360-degree virtual tour. These virtual tours can really provide you with all the details of individual items, as well as to give you the most comprehensive view of the spaces. Lastly, let's explore the most anticipated GenAI tab. Here you can select a safe path for your images and adjust settings like prompt weights and AI processing. Unlike other GenAI tools, Renderpub allows you to better retain the building structure and furniture layout of a model. After selecting these options, add a prompt to describe the scene, then click Generate. Give it some time to loading the model and generate the rendering. Wow, I hope you like our first Gen AI rendering. Next, let's try it with a reference image. This lets the Gen AI to draw inspirations from its material, lighting, color, and time of the day. Yay, we now have a result taking into account both the text prompt and the reference image. Hope the Gen AI feature can really help you brainstorm concept quickly or speed up your blank model to full rendering process. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope the high-quality renderings, immersive videos, and interactive virtual tours will elevate your future presentations. And hope the Gen AI will really simplify your current workflow. Let us know if you have any questions or feature requests. See you in the next video.